Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Fitbit Charge 6 easy guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your Fitbit Charge 6 is charged. Remove the device from the box and locate the charging cable. Connect the charging cable to a power source. Place the Fitbit Charge 6 onto the charging cable, aligning the pins correctly. Wait for the device to power on. Once the device is on, download the Fitbit app on your smartphone. Ensure your smartphone is connected to Wi-Fi and has Bluetooth enabled. Open the Fitbit app and sign in to your account, or create a new one if necessary. Tap on the Set up a device option within the app. Select Charge 6 from the list of available devices. Allow the app to search for your Fitbit Charge 6. Once your device appears, tap on it to begin the pairing process. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your Charge 6 with your smartphone. You may be prompted to enter a code displayed on your Fitbit. Confirm the code within the app, ensuring a successful connection. Next, customize your personal settings within the app. Choose your preferred units and activate notifications if desired. Explore additional settings to personalize your fitness experience. Once setup is complete, your Fitbit Charge 6 will sync with the app. You are now ready to wear your device and start tracking your health and fitness. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.